The IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate introduces you with tools and techniques designed to secure systems, detect threats, and respond effectively to incidents. With QRadar, IBM's powerful SIEM tool, you learn how to monitor and analyze security events, gaining practical insight into identifying and mitigating threats in real time. With tools like OWASP ZAP, you practice penetration testing to identify vulnerabilities and understand how to strengthen system defenses. Python becomes a key part of your toolkit, helping you automate tasks, analyze data, and create scripts for custom security workflows that boost efficiency. Industry standard tools for compliance and forensic analysis help you navigate real-world scenarios, developing the skills needed to address cybersecurity challenges. Through this program, you can build practical skills and experience that aligns with industry needs. Take your next steps in your cybersecurity journey with IBM and Coursera.